How to block a user in Grindr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block anyone. First of all, open the application. Now as you can see, I'm in my home page. Here on the right bottom, there's an option called Inbox. Simply tap on Inbox. Now here there are different people that are added with me. Here you can select the person whom you want to block. So simply tap on them and this is their profile. Now in order to block them, here on the right top there's a block button. Simply tap on this block button. Now make sure you want to remove this person and block them. Here on the bottom, tap on block. Now tap on yes. So it will take some time, and as you can see, the person is completely blocked. Now they can message you or even text you, and neither you can even text them or see their profile. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.